Happy holidays, y'all. I'm in the kitchen with one of my favorite friends. This is Leanne Morgan. We are getting ready to ham it up today. For dessert, a perfect Christmas treat, red velvet bread pudding. I have used my Grandma Paul's recipe for red velvet, and I just put it in a 13 by 9 by 2 pan. And since we're having bread pudding, we don't want to just make it so wet that it comes apart. So we're going to take our cake and we're going to cut it in cubes. And then we're going to put this on our cookie sheet, and we're going to toast it off. That'll cause the edges to get crunchy and crispy and keep it from absorbing so much that it'll be mushy. So we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Happy holidays, everybody. We're about to get this wonderful meal put together, aren't we? Now, we're gonna finish up our red velvet bread pudding. In this bowl, I'm gonna add about 3/4 of a cup of confectionate sugar, and I'm gonna add 1 block of cream cheese that I have let sit at room temperature, y'all. So it's gonna be nice and easy for us to blend up.
Let me see how this tastes.
And did it crust up just a little bit for us?
It did, it's wonderful.
Good. All right, so I'm just gonna beat these two things together. And you take over this, honey. And I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna mix up our custard. It's just 3 eggs and 1 yolk, 3 cups of half and half, a pinch of salt, and a good old teaspoon of vanilla. And we got our custard, y'all. And I'm gonna add just a little bit until we get it all incorporated. Okay. I'm gonna go around there and get our cream cheese down in there. There we go. Now let's pour the rest of this custard in so we can add it to the chunks of the cake. Have you ever had any Christmas disasters, Leanne?
We had a Christmas tree, and I can remember Charlie being 3 with a little play pistol and cowboy boots on, and every time he'd go by that Christmas tree, it'd fall down on him, and we don't know why. And so there for a long time, he had this fear of Christmas trees because it'd fall on him and get caught up in it, and all it'd be sticking out would be little cowboy boots.
I think that's good. So in the oven we go, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. There's a hog in our life. Well, you know what? I got a devil staring at me. Look at that, y'all. Now, how pretty is that for Christmas?
That is wonderful.
Out of this world. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.